Good morning, my dear students. Today we are discussing about superficial mycosis in fungi. Fungi, different types of diseases. So one is first one is a superficial mycosis. In superficial mycosis, different types of examples are there. So first one example is Tinea nigra. So Tinea nigra, it is also known as a superficial. It is also known as a. It is also known as a pyohypomycosis. Pyohypomycosis. So what is a pyohypomycosis? It is also known as a tinea nigra. So which is a superficial fungal infection. It is a superficial fungal infection. It is a superficial fungal infection. So infection, it causes them it causes the dark brown to black. It crosses the dark brown to black painless patches. Painless patches occurs on the palm. So in here, black patches or brown patches are occur on our palm is known as a tinea nigra. It is a painless. So it is not only palm, in your and sole also. In soles also, sole of the feet also, these type of patches are identified. It considered as a tinea nigra. So what is the causes of the tinea nigra? What is the causes? How to cause this tinea nigra? So the infection is caused by the fungus. Caused by the fungus is a family classified into. It is a fungus family classified as a Exophyllum Exophylla vernacki. These the Exophylla vernacki. It causes them. It causes this particular type of diseases. So in here, what are their exact fungus? Exact fungus is the Paenolomyces. Paenolomyces vernacki. Pylomyces vernacki. These are organism. It causes the tinea nigra. These type of patches are identified in a palm and sole. And then, so what is the symptoms? What is the symptoms? Symptoms. It is a characterized by the. It is a jet black pigmentation. Jet black pigmentation. Usually seen on hands. Seen on hands. So these are the identified in symptoms and how to diagnose it. How to diagnosis. So the tinea nigra is causing the fungus is made on the. It is identified by the microscopic examinations. Microscopic examination on skin scraping. So microscopic examination on scraping skin scraping. And the next one, the skin scraping mixed with the potassium hydroxide. So the potassium hydroxide, it is produces the non-fungal debris are identified with this particular method. And the next one, it is identified the hyphae cells, budding cells, or branched cells are identified. So hyphae means this like structure is known as the hyphae. Budding means this one is budding like structure. One long cell it is occur budding, and branched means like this one structure are identified in. So this is the diagnosis of the particular tinea nigra. And what is the treatment? What is the treatment? So it is the consisting the topical applications of the shampoo, topical applications of the dandruff shampoo, dandruff shampoo, and which containing the which containing the particular shampoo, it containing the selenium sulfide. Selenium sulfide is also placed on the over the skin. And the next one, antifungal drugs, antifungal drugs. So we are using the treatment of particular tinea nigra. So this is about our topic. If you have any doubts from this topic, tomorrow we will discuss. Thank you.